4 easy Christmas recipes. Simple, cozy, doable. In my kitchen, warmth and spice set the mood, lights twinkle softly. No fuss, just flavors that bring people together, even on busy nights. From spiced nuts to a one-pan centerpiece, each one's quick. This cozy countdown keeps the holidays calm and delicious. Ready? Let's cook with ease and joy. Our cozy countdown begins. Recipe number 4, quick spiced nuts. There is something utterly enchanting about a warm snack that fills the air with cinnamon and orange in mere minutes. It is my go-to for impromptu guests or a small, sophisticated nibble alongside a cup of tea or a glass of chilled wine. 7 minutes, start to finish. You will need mixed raw nuts, butter or coconut oil, brown sugar, ground cinnamon, the zest of half an orange, and a pinch of salt. Measure 1 cup nuts, 1 tablespoon butter or coconut oil, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, zest of half an orange, a small pinch of salt. Preheat a skillet over low heat so the nuts toast gently. Melt the butter or oil until it shimmers. Add the nuts and stir for about a minute to awaken their flavor. Layer in brown sugar, cinnamon, orange zest, and salt. Stir constantly for 2 to 3 minutes as the sugar melts into a bubbling syrup that clings to every crevice. Transfer to parchment and spread out to cool. Tip: sugar goes from perfect to burnt in seconds. Keep heat low and your spoon moving. Smart swap: use maple syrup and coconut oil for a vegan batch with deeper sweetness. They are a small bite of holiday cheer, you know. Recipe number 3, Festive Cranberry Brie Crostini. Effortlessly elegant. Crisp golden toast, soft melting cheese, sweet tangy cranberry, and fresh herbs. Perfect for passing at a holiday party or as a stunning starter. Gather baguette slices, a wheel of brie or optional cream cheese, cranberry sauce, rosemary or thyme, and olive oil. Preheat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. Arrange slices on a sheet and lightly brush with olive oil. Toast 6 to 8 minutes until lightly colored and firm. While warm, add your creamy element, a slice of brie on each toast, or generously spread cream cheese. Pro tip: slightly warm the brie first. Then spoon a small dollop of cranberry sauce over the cheese. Finish with a delicate sprinkle of herbs. Dairy-free? Use a high-quality vegan cream cheese. Total time: 13 minutes. Small, lovely, and bursting with festive color in one bite. Serve soon after assembling to enjoy the contrast between warm, soft cheese and crisp bread. Recipe number 2, Cinnamon Orange Roast Carrots, a vibrant vegan side. Simple, earthy ingredients transformed by the oven into something truly special. Roasting draws out sweetness. Cinnamon adds warmth. Orange brings bright zest. Holiday-worthy color, aroma, and shine. You need 1 pound carrots, peeled and halved or quartered, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, zest and juice of half an orange, salt, pepper, and a handful of chopped parsley. Preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Arrange carrots on a large tray with space to roast. Whisk olive oil with honey or maple, cinnamon, orange zest, and juice. Pour over carrots and toss evenly. Roast 20 to 25 minutes until tender with caramelized edges. Tip: cut similar sizes for even cooking. Season after roasting and finish with parsley. Smart swap: use maple syrup to keep it fully vegan and add rich, woody sweetness. Enjoy. Recipe number 1, 1 pan festive chicken with herbs, the Effortless Centerpiece. Perfect, simple centerpiece for your Christmas meal. Rustic elegance with crispy skin and juicy, tender meat. Infused with garlic, rosemary, thyme, and nestled potatoes and Brussels sprouts. You will need 4 skin-on chicken thighs, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 3 crushed garlic cloves, a tablespoon each of fresh rosemary and thyme, 1 lemon, salt, pepper, 1 cup halved baby potatoes, and an optional cup of halved Brussels sprouts. Use 1 teaspoon each if using dried herbs. Preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Heat olive oil in a large oven-proof skillet over medium-high. Season generously with salt and pepper and place skin side down. Brown for 4 to 5 minutes without moving. Turn the chicken, then add crushed garlic and the herbs. Add potatoes and Brussels sprouts, nestling everything around the chicken, and scatter lemon slices. Transfer to the oven and roast for 20 to 25 minutes. Chicken is done when cooked through. Vegetables should be tender and caramelized at the edges. Let the chicken rest in the pan for about 5 minutes. Vegetarian swap. Press firm tofu well, then marinate in oil, lemon, garlic, and herbs. Roast alongside the vegetables until golden and firm. Bon appetit. Bringing it all together, the final joyful step is to bring everything to the table. Flavors and textures complement each other for a balanced, special, and approachable meal. Presenting food thoughtfully is an art that elevates the experience. Serve spiced nuts warm in small bowls, a perfect invitation to nibble and mingle. Arrange crostini on a wooden board or simple white platter. The red, white, and green pop against golden toast. Serve carrots family style to add color and gentle sweetness alongside the savory, herb-bright chicken. Bring the skillet straight to the table for rustic charm and aroma. Round out with a crisp salad, simple green beans, or good gravy. Serve, enjoy, and relax. As our cozy countdown closes, I hope you feel warmth and accomplishment. The season isn't about perfection. It is about connection, comfort, and memories. Transforming humble ingredients into a delicious meal is a quiet expression of love. Make your kitchen a sanctuary. Light a candle, play your favorite album, and let the rhythms soothe you. From my kitchen to yours, I wish you a very happy and heartwarming Christmas.